Yikes, what's the hype? This is something light. Yikes, out of town, inconsistent.
Whoa, welcome back to my channel. As the title say, today I will be dyeing my unit using the watercolor method. This is a unit that I made. Let me know down below in the comments if you would like to see a tutorial on me making my wig. But this is the wig that I made. It's from Westkiss hair. I had these bundles for a minute now, and I was supposed to make the unit, but I never really had time to make it because I play softball, plus I work, plus my kids play sports, so never really just had the downtime to make the wig. But now that we're in the stay inside mode, I had nothing but time to make it. So yeah, I went on ahead. I haven't made a unit in so long, but I went on ahead and made this unit. The bundles I have for this unit was a 14, 12, 10 inch and a 10 inch. I want to say 6x6 closure. It looks like a 6x6 closure, so I think that's what I ordered when I ordered the hair from Westkiss. So yeah, I'm gonna be dyeing the hair. This is my first time actually trying this method, and it don't look like it's very hard, so I said, well, I don't want off brown or off black hair, because that's the color that it be when they send it to you in its natural state. So I said I wanted to go ahead and dye it jet black or whatnot. I already went ahead and sprayed my lace down with the Got To Be spray because I didn't want it to run through the knots. And then after I watercolor the hair, I think I'm gonna bleach the knots afterwards if need be. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to show you all the items that I will be using for this method. Of course, I have the wig, hot water. I don't know if you can see the steam. Well, yeah, you can see the steam coming from the water. Hot water. I have 3 jet black semi-permanent hair colors dye, and I have a little spoolie thing so I can mix the hair in. I'm also gonna go get some gloves. I don't have it here, but I will be using gloves because I don't want my nails to get messed up. They have to last. They already a mess, but they have to last as long as possible, being that nail shops or whatnot is closed. So yeah, I'm gonna protect those nails. So let's get started. Okay, here I am. I'm gonna be taking. I'm just gonna open it up. Yeah, ghost figure. I'm just gonna open it up. Just what I said I did not want to do. I'm doing, and pour that in the water. I'm gonna try not to make a mess of this. Cause child, we don't want black dye everywhere. Let me see if I only gonna be needing Let me do this because I don't want this to splat everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw the top back on there and open it up like this and squirt it in there like this. Stir that around. Let me go ahead and, I think I'm gonna just stick to 2. It looks pretty black. I don't know if you all can see that or not. Yeah, it looks pretty black. I don't think I'm gonna need. So I'm gonna just stuff. Stuff. I'm gonna actually pick the camera up. I have to invest in me stuff. Trying to make sure it's getting, I'm sorry, getting all the hair in there. So I don't think I'm gonna need this third one. So I'm gonna just stick that to the side. And I'm gonna just work. I saw many YouTube channels on people using the watercolor method. I really can't see this going wrong. The only thing I can see is my tint, my lace, you know, getting a little black, but I can't really see my hair not dying. So yeah, I'm gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes because the water was hot that I used, and then I will come back when it's time to take it out. So here we have the final results. As you can see, the dye did take. It is jet black now. I'm super excited about the results. Yeah, I will be trying other colors as well. Yeah, so here it is. Thanks.